Hey guys, welcome to phone review on Let's Learn Computer Together. Please, you make sure you subscribe to this channel. On this video, we are going to talk about 6 best phone you need to buy before 2022. Remember, the year is rolling to an end, and if you are planning to buy a new smartphone, you can buy any of these 6 powerful smartphones we want to talk about today. The number 6 on the list is Google Pixel 6 Pro. This phone is built with a glass and aluminum frame, and it is water and dust resistant. It has an AMOLED display measure of 6.71 inches and supports HDR10 plus. Google Pixel 6 Pro, however, it's run on the latest Android version 12 and have the latest Google software, which make this phone a very powerful Android that you can buy. It is powered by octa-core Google Tensor processor with 12 gig RAM model. And another spec of this phone is it has a 4G Lite and 5G network. It have an 11.1 MP front camera. It have fingerprint. It has a very fast wireless charging at 23W. It have a USB power delivery in 3.0. That is Google Pixel 6 Pro. The 5 on my list is Xiaomi 11T Pro. This phone is a pro Android phone that is drawn by MI branding. If you're looking for a very cheap phone that have a beautiful and superb features, you need to get Xiaomi 11T Pro. This phone have a 108 MP plus 8 MP plus 5 MP cameras, which make the picture quality great. The Android version is 11 and has an 8 gig and 12 gig RAM. It have a fingerprint, a slide one. The power delivery is 3.0. It have a quick charge of 3 plus. Fast charging has 120W and have a 5000 megahertz LiPo non-removable battery. That is Xiaomi 11T Pro key. Another bang phone, smartphone that you need to get again is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This phone is no doubt is still one of the best phone you need to get. This phone has an AMOLED display sport 1440 by 32,000 pixel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This smartphone is dust and waterproof. It have a 12 gig RAM, 40 MP front camera, and a 5000 megahertz non-removable battery, 45W fast charging, 40 MP front camera. You really need to get this phone. That is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Another powerful phone you really need to get, and that is number 3 on the list, is OnePlus Nord 2 5G. This phone is packed in a very beautiful design, have a 30W wireless charging, 5G internet, and it have 6.43 AMOLED display, and also have a 5G network, 128 gig slash 256 gig inbuilt storage. Is run on Android 11 and It also have a fingerprint sensor, fast charging at 30W capacity, and have a non-removable battery at 4005 megahertz. That is OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Another smartphone really need to get before 2022 is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This phone is from Samsung, and it's one of the best Android phone that you really need to get. It runs on 12 gig RAM, and it have a chipset. You can pick between 128 gig to 256 gig or 512 gig storage. It have an S Pen support, 12 gig RAM, 5G support, 4500 megahertz non-removable lithium battery, and it runs on Android 10. Another smartphone that is on the charts of our list is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This smartphone is brilliant, having a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display. It have 12 gig, 16 gig RAM, and the battery stamina is very impressive. Have an SG Pen support, 15W wireless charging, water and dust proof. So here are the phone you really need to get before 2022. Do you enjoy this content? Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so as to keep you updated on the latest in technology. Good day.